A clean house isn't just about appearances. It's about creating a space where you can relax, recharge, and feel at peace. But with our lives busier than ever in 2025, maintaining a clean home can feel like an overwhelming task. The good news? By combining smart habits, modern tools, and timeless principles, you can simplify the process and enjoy a tidy, stress-free home every day. In this video, I'll guide you through practical strategies to keep your house clean in 2025. These tips are designed to save time, reduce effort, and create a home environment that supports your well-being and productivity. 1. Automate your cleaning routine. In 2025, technology is your best ally for maintaining a clean home effortlessly. By automating repetitive tasks, you can save time and focus on other priorities. Key tools and gadgets: robot vacuums and mops. Devices like the iRobot Roomba or Roborock can handle daily floor cleaning, ensuring your floors stay spotless without lifting a finger. Many models now come with self-emptying bins and advanced navigation. Self-cleaning appliances. Consider investing in self-cleaning ovens, dishwashers with sterilization modes, and even self-cleaning litter boxes for pet owners. Smart cleaning schedules. Use apps or voice assistants like Alexa or Google Home to schedule reminders for tasks like laundry, changing air filters, or disinfecting high-touch areas. Pro tip: pair your automated tools with manual cleaning for deeper results. For example, let your robot vacuum handle daily debris, and follow up with a weekly deep clean using a mop or broom. 2. Declutter regularly. Clutter is the enemy of a clean home. A house filled with unnecessary items takes longer to clean and can feel overwhelming. Regular decluttering sessions help you stay on top of things and make cleaning much easier. Practical decluttering tips: the 1-inch, 1-out rule. For every new item you bring into your home, remove one. This prevents accumulation and keeps your belongings manageable. The December 12 challenge: find 12 items to donate, 12 to toss, and 12 to relocate to their proper place. Daily mini declutters. Spend 5 to 10 minutes each day tackling a small area, like a drawer or a shelf. Mindset shift: view decluttering as a form of self-care. A clutter-free home creates mental clarity and reduces stress, making it easier to maintain a clean and organized space. 3. Create a daily cleaning routine. Consistency is the secret to keeping a clean house without feeling overwhelmed. A simple daily routine ensures that cleaning tasks don't pile up. Morning routine: make your bed to set a positive tone for the day. Wipe down bathroom counters after brushing your teeth. Empty the dishwasher or drying rack to make room for new dishes. Afternoon routine: do a quick tidy up in common areas, putting items back in their designated spots. Sweep or vacuum high-traffic areas if needed. Start a load of laundry to keep dirty clothes from piling up. Evening routine: clean the kitchen after dinner by wiping counters and loading the dishwasher. Take out the trash if it's full. Lay out clothes or prepare essentials for the next day. Pro tip: set a timer for each task to keep yourself focused and efficient. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a big difference. 4. Use multipurpose cleaning products. Simplify your cleaning arsenal by choosing products that serve multiple purposes. This not only saves space but also reduces the time spent switching between products. Top multipurpose cleaners: all-purpose spray. Use it for countertops, bathroom surfaces, and even spot cleaning floors. Vinegar and baking soda. These natural cleaners are effective for everything from removing stains to deodorizing drains. Disinfectant wipes. Perfect for quick cleanups on a variety of surfaces, including door handles, light switches, and electronics. Reusable cleaning tools, microfiber cloths, washable and highly effective for dusting, polishing, and cleaning glass. Reusable mop pads, reduce waste and work well with both water and cleaning solutions. Washable dusters, trap dust without spreading it around. Pro tip: store your cleaning supplies in a portable caddy so you can easily move from room to room while cleaning. 5. Enlist help from your household. Keeping a clean house shouldn't be a solo effort. Sharing responsibilities ensures that everyone contributes and lightens the load for all. Ways to involve others: chore charts. Assign specific tasks to each household member based on their age and abilities. Cleaning challenges. Turn chores into a fun competition, like who can tidy their room the fastest. Family cleaning time. Dedicate 15 to 30 minutes each evening to clean together as a family. Teaching responsibility. Involving kids in cleaning not only helps you but also teaches them valuable life skills. Start with simple tasks like putting toys away or wiping down tables. 6. Embrace minimalism in decor. The less you have, the less you need to clean. Minimalist decor not only makes your home easier to maintain, but also creates a calm and inviting atmosphere. How to simplify your decor. Limit decorative items. Choose a few meaningful pieces to display instead of cluttering surfaces with knickknacks. Opt for easy-to-clean materials. Furniture with smooth finishes and washable fabrics saves time and effort. Use functional decor. Items like storage ottomans or baskets double as both decor and organizational tools. Pro tip: stick to a neutral color palette for a clean and cohesive look that requires minimal upkeep. 7. Stay ahead with seasonal deep cleaning. While daily routines keep your home tidy, seasonal deep cleaning ensures that no area is overlooked. Seasonal cleaning checklist: spring, wash windows, deep clean carpets, and declutter your wardrobe. Summer, focus on outdoor spaces, clean air conditioning filters, and wipe down ceiling fans. Fall, organize storage areas, clean gutters, and prepare your home for colder weather. Winter, sanitize high-touch surfaces, clean light fixtures, and deep clean upholstery. Breaking deep cleaning into seasonal tasks makes it more manageable and ensures your home stays fresh year-round. 8. Develop habits to keep surfaces clear. Flat surfaces are magnets for clutter. Keeping them clear makes your home look instantly cleaner and easier to maintain. Tips for clear surfaces: adopt a clear-as-you-go rule. Put items back in their place immediately after use. Limit drop zones. Create designated spots for essentials like keys, mail, and wallets. Rotate decor. Display only a few items at a time and store the rest. This keeps your space fresh without overcrowding. Pro tip: take a photo of your space when it's clean. Use it as a reference to maintain that level of tidiness. 9. Invest in storage solutions. Good storage systems make it easier to keep your home organized and clutter-free. Smart storage ideas. Vertical storage. Use wall-mounted shelves, hooks, and pegboards to free up floor space. Bins and baskets. Group similar items together for quick access and tidy appearance. Furniture with storage. Look for beds with drawers, coffee tables with hidden compartments, or benches with built-in storage. Label everything. Labels help everyone in the household know where items belong, making it easier to put things away. 10. Focus on small wins every day. Cleaning doesn't have to be overwhelming. Small, consistent actions can add up to big results over time. Ideas for small wins: 10-minute tidying. Set a timer and focus on one area, like the living room or kitchen counters. One task a day. Break down cleaning into daily tasks, such as dusting on Monday, vacuuming on Tuesday, and so on. Celebrate progress. Take a moment to appreciate your clean space and the effort you've put in. Remember, a clean home is a journey, not a destination. Keeping a clean house in 2025 doesn't have to feel like a chore. By combining smart habits, effective tools, and a touch of creativity, you can maintain a tidy, stress-free home that supports your lifestyle. Which of these tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on simplifying your life and creating a home you love. Here's to a cleaner, happier home in 2025.